The first step in the review process is evaluating factors. Factors are the core skills and competencies associated with your position title. The term factors is customizable. Your organization may refer to factors using different terminology. While the wording may be different in your system, it will remain the first step in the review process. To evaluate a factor, you expand the Appraisals menu and select Evaluate Factors. The Overview tab will list the factors associated with your position. You may review your overall progress or your progress in the Factors section. You can also easily see if the factors have been scored, how they are weighted if applicable, and if there are any comments. To evaluate a factor, simply click the factor name or click on the Evaluation tab. You are encouraged to review the factor information before evaluating your performance. To rate your performance in this factor, review the performance levels and descriptions. Again, the system is very customizable. The number of performance levels and definitions may be completely customized to more accurately reflect the performance expectations in your organization. Also, if your rating scale is number-based, you will see a numerical scale and rate in terms of numbers. If your system is not, you will rate yourself based upon performance level titles and definitions only. The NA option may or may not be available. To indicate a rating, click on the scoring bar or the applicable definition and the rating will automatically assign. Once you have entered the appropriate rating, you may then add comments to your review. While comments are optional, you are strongly encouraged to provide feedback and input to your manager and share examples. When your comments are complete, check spelling and be sure to save any changes. You may navigate from one factor to the next by simply selecting a new factor in the list. You may verify that all factors have been evaluated by scrolling through the list of factors at the top or by returning to the Overview tab. The second step in the review process is evaluating goals. While most organizations use the goal tool, it is optional. If goal setting is not a part of your review process, you may skip this step. Goal is another term in the system that may be customized. Evaluating a goal works essentially the same way as evaluating a factor. When you select the option on the menu, the Overview tab will list all of the available goals and report your progress. To evaluate, simply click on the goal name, review the available details, determining the appropriate rating, and adding any comments. Again, you may spell check to catch any misspelled or mistyped words, and be sure to save your changes. Navigate through each goal by selecting from the list. You will have the same visual cues to verify that all goals have been evaluated. Performance Pro does have an autosave feature. If you try to leave a page without saving, it will prompt you. In order to save, you must stay on the page and save your changes prior to moving on. You have now evaluated your factors and goals.